Hello guys, I'm Alan Quiz. To tell you in this tutorials how to recover or rescue your Gmail ID in case someone who has stolen your Gmail ID changed the password. Now you don't have access to a recovery email and recovery password or the recovery phone number. Or in a case someone who has hijacked, changed the password using or hacked a Gmail ID. Now what is the easy way to recover it? We will see live here. Yes, we have a this idea has been recommended by my one viewer to recover it quickly, so I decide to record live here. How do you may be beneficial for someone who is also highly increased too. Now we have two options, either we have a password, we don't have a password. So just to see guys here, we will click on another way. So it's essential that this QR etc but we don't have a QR. So now we'll go for here, don't have a phone number also, so just we will click on here. Also we will click on here, we don't have this. Now we did not provide enough information for the Google to show that this account is your. How could I make it possible that this account can be mine here? Now here answer as many questions that we can, or the user device when you have the sign in the before. Third option we don't have, so if I click here try again, then of course another platform will be open. So there we will have to enter some legal documents on the basis of a different email, and on the basis of Google will endorse to justify this account is your or not, but total estimated time can't be expected more than 48 hours, so it will take much more delay. We won't be able to go for data protection as soon as possible. So we will cut it from here, and quickly of course we will come to Play Store, and we have the one browser that is especially via browser. Tap it on here, and of course it has started to download. On the other hand, of course we will come in especially this Google, and in a Z browser of course we will hold it to have the notifications icon, help icons, and of course make it disable. Notification we have the blocked, and the permission also we will have to especially off. So just in the location we will come down, allow and test it, of course make it the precise location, this will be off, and the one of course we will come, don't allow anyway of course as function no longer intended. Now once again we will come the Chrome. This is also product of it guys, Google, as we know that. So of course we will tap on it, and thereupon notification of course we will have to make it blocked. In notification we have done blocks, then of course we will come the permission. Similar navigation location, of course we will click on precise location, that would be off, and thereupon click on it, don't allow. So this function as no longer intended, of course we will do it, and thereupon of course here we will not cut from here. Tap it back, let's see back, and thereupon we have the defaults app, we have via browsers files. Now we will cut it from here, and thereupon yes, let's hold this via browser, click on it, go for agree, and now that we have to do nothing guys, just simply in a home screen here we will have to go for Z browser. So just we will go for Z browser, let's see right here Google, and see what will happen here. Of course one browser, that G sign on green dot, and we will have to now here we will have to write this particular ID, where it is, this means yes. Now it was no, just let me check out what's the IDs in the multiple ID actually having recovery issue. This way, so now it was especially as it was, I think say yes, let me check out yes, no, this ID was not this ID is especially poop, this one's especially I was the trying to. So now see how the what we will have to becomes in the space level. This ID was not especially, this ID was multiple ID actually having recovery guys, so that's why I have it here. Now just to see This ID it was. Just we will go for next and see here by this browser what will happens. Now we will go for forgot password because we don't have the password. So now see here recovery phone number, no. Now see recovery phone number is giving or not. Recovery phone number is given but we don't have the phone number also guys, so just we will click on here. Now what will happen, it syncs in the try. Now don't try to click on a try against. This will be a much more better that tips to the recovery rate. Why it shows because if I go for here then Google will track easily that I'm trying to recover the particular ID that don't belong to me. That's why different browser I'm trying to recover it guys. So in this condition of course we'll look at it from here. Now let's have the crucial step that is very essential to execute. Let's come the setting to of course, so we will have to come Google service. So let's scroll here, it has, we will tap on it basically. Now see here in a help, in a help too of course we'll be going to sign in. Now here what we will have to, we will pick these ones you think someone else is using. This is appropriate issues that I have selected now. Now what we will do here, wait, secure your accounts. Now we have options. Now what we will do guys here, just we will come now review your account activities just to find out if your account has been hacked. Scroll up and now we have the one option, and that is tips to recover help or accounts recovery page. Just let's have this account recovery page. And now see here guys what we will have to here, just we will have to enter that particular ID. The ID was especially this one, it was especially. Now see guys here what we will have to do here, just we will go for here next. Let's see, clicks to a next, let's hit. Now see guys here, just we will have to nothing, just click on enable, don't go for continue here, just we will go for continue. Now this ID is the success. We have two options, and that is one, change the password, second is a continue. So what we will, don't go full click on a continue. Why? Because there will be some questions on the basis you will have to reply for security concern. Otherwise if you don't, then it will be trap on a where verify it's you. So in that condition of course once again you will have to give the proof evidence. So similar problem will be especially, so that's why especially here you will have to click on the change the password, and there by using these options we can here new password, confirm new password means you have an opportunity to create the strong password, and of course confirm the strong. After changing of it, of course go in the security center of this device management, and upon Gmail device management, and upon add there remove their recovery emails, whatever is inside there, and whatever the phone number as the recovery. Both we will have to change it, and upon after changing then this account is yours. This is all about in this video tutorial. Lives, I cannot generate here the password, otherwise this will be in the public domain, and you can recover also this ID. Once again this ID will be yours. So that's why actually right now let me guys here create this one, and I will of course and deliver to my viewer. So this is all about, and furthermore in inquiry assistance cooperations at the blend I have the query below the comment box. The pleasure would be mine to reply or the query. So thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Bye bye.